Naming shape
Okay,
with my
these are all the
16-month-old baby.
Let's try if you know. What shape is this?
Oval.
Again, what shape is this?
Oval.
Oval. How about this one? What shape is this?
Sun.
Cone. Good job. How about this one? What shape is this?
Star.
Star. Good job. How about this one? What shape is this?
Hill.
Square. Good job. How about this one? What shape is this? Lian, what shape is this?
Star.
What? What shape is that?
Circle.
Circle. Good job. How about this one? What shape is this?
Other.
How about this one? What shape is this?
Hill.
Diamond.
Almond.
How about this one? What shape is this?
Hill.
Rectangle. It looks like square but it's pahaba. This one. What shape is this? What is this?
Heart.
Heart. Good job.
Heart.
A heart. Oh, see? Shake it, see. I know that shake it, see. And is an octopus swimming in the sea.